Ayan, mga malaman sir, sa mga naghahanap po ng mga spell jars, like business success spell jar, money magnet oil, all-in-one anointing oil, all-in-one powerful word bracelet, mga anting-anting, mga lucky charms, mga pampaswerte, mga spell jars, relationship repair spell jar. Ayan, visit me sa Facebook page, Bonum Magos, and mag-ask lang kayo doon kung ano mga available items. Pero, pwede nyo namang diretso kayo doon sa Shopee store namin, Bunum Magos, hanapin nyo lang. Bunum Magos Shopee online store. And then yung mga items, okay? COD, kaya cash on delivery pwede. So, ayan po. Thank you so much for listening.
Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyo lahat. Taurus, Sun, Rising, and Venus placements, mga madam and sir. Kamusta po kayo? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan today. So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating mga Taurus signs the next 7 days. Within the next 7 days, alamin natin kung ano ang energy na makukuha ko. Okay? Para sa inyo. Kapalaran sa love life, kaperahan, tignan natin kung ano ang lalabas. Within the next 7 days para sa ating Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Okay, Taurus, you have the Strength card. Ayan, I feel like ma-overcome mo yung problema mo within the next 7 days. And there is a sense of control. Okay, may control sa sarili. Tignan natin. You have the Ace of Wands. Breakthrough, inspiration, new direction. Okay, ayan. Tignan natin. Next, you have the Hermit, soul searching, solitude, contemplation. Your overall energy, you have the Knight of Cups. Okay. Chivalry, hopeless, romantic, idealistic. So, I feel like there's someone here in your life, Taurus. Wow! Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. I feel like you've been Taurus, someone rising in Venus eyes, you have been or meron kang gagawing soul searching this week within the next 7 days. Ayan, parang gusto mo munang mapag-isa. Okay, meron kang gustong yun nga, soul searching. Ayan yung word, soul searching, solitude, and contemplation. Pinag-iisipan mo siguro tong Knight of Cups, itong tao na to, who view you as someone who's very hopeless romantic. Ayan, parang nililigawan ka. Ayan, may nangliligaw nga sa'yo. Water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I feel like meron kang bagong direksyon na tatahakin Taurus, with this Ace of Wands. Yeah, you're going to have a breakthrough. You're inspired to parang nagkaroon ka ng bagong pag-asa, nagkaroon ka ng bagong lakas, nagkaroon ka ng bagong inspirasyon, maybe because of this water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Ayan. But mag-ingat na kasi the Knight of Cups, meron kasi silang minsan may iba silang intention, meron silang goal kung bakit kanila nililigawan. So, ingat lang, okay? Ingat sa mga Knight of Cups, okay? But I see you overcoming your control. Parang kinokontrol mo ang sarili mo. When it comes to this person, let's see what else. Tignan natin. When it comes to your love life. But definitely when it comes to your decision or when it comes to some other aspect of your life, you are headed towards a new direction. Meron kang bagong landas na patutunguhan. Meron kang parang nakahanap ka ng bagong pag-asa, bagong chapter, bagong pinto na magbubukas sa'yo, and that you're taking that opportunity. Okay, you're grabbing that opportunity. Good for you. Okay, good for you. You have the 9 of Wands. Looks like within the next 7 days, madi-drain ang yung energy. Homesick, lovesick. Tignan natin. Okay, 9 of Wands. You have the Moon. Okay. Meron kang pinag-iisipan. 7 of Cups. Okay, you have this wishful thinking. Within the next 7 days, mukhang you have this Oh, you have the Ten of Cups. Looks like magkakaroon kayo ng mabubuo ka ng family. Perhaps with this Knight of Cups, di ba, weather signs, mukhang magkakaroon kayo ng baby, magiging happy kayo, ayan, happy families. Wow! Mukhang magiging masaya ka dito sa tao na to, whoever this is, for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Mukhang yan ang wini-wish. It's either yan din ang inaasam-asam mo with this wishful thinking card, Seven of Cups. Lagi mo siyang laman sa isipan mo. Tama ba? You have the endless possibilities and you are fantasizing. It's either ikaw ang nagpa-fantasize sa kanya or siya ang nagpa-fantasize sa'yo. Charot. O, diba? Ang galing. So parang I feel like dalawa kayo. I think this is the mutual feeling is I think the feeling is mutual. I think na parehas kayong nag-iisip or nagwi-wishful thinking na magiging happy kayong makakabuo kayo ng family na happy. O diba? Wala nang masama dyan. Kaya lang meron kang worries pa rin dito. Like you have worries. You are not sure, merong hindi klaro, there are some illusions, parang feeling mo illusion ng lahat. And sa kakaisip mo yan na na-drain niya yung energy mo. Tama ba? Tama ba? So, I think, trust your intuition. Whatever decision that you're going to make regarding the situation, this new direction that you're taking, if you're planning to, whoever this person is very significant in your life, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, water sign, trust your instinct, Taurus. Okay, with the moon card, mukhang meron ka pang hindi alam. Possibly na may tinatago itong person na to, I don't know. But definitely, mukhang nag-worry ka regarding the situation. Kasi, hindi mo siya mawala sa isipan mo eh. To the point na, nadidrain na yung energy mo. Siguro, it's either nalalabsick ka or kayong dalawa nalalabsick, nafe-feel ko. The feeling is mutual, parang parehas itong person na to, whoever it is, babae man o lalaki, I think nag-worry din siya sa future, kung anong mga kakalabasan. Parang naging anxious kayo pareho. And I think nandun yung ligawan, nandun yung flirting, ayan, chivalry, andun yan. It's either most of the energy na feel ko sa'yo, gagaling. But andun din yung part na meron din siya yung person mo na andun din yung wishful thinking, parang ganun. Ayan, parehas ata kayo na drain ng energy ninyo. Nagpupuyatan or something like that. O, diba? Wow. Okay, let's see what else. What's coming? You have the Five of Swords. Oh my God, what is this? You have Justice. May justice na mangyayari. Curse, truth, justice. Cause and effect, truth. Get what is deserved. I think makukuha mo yung hustisya mo. Bakit ganito? Wait lang, let's see. Page of Coins. Young but grounded, solid beginning, strong foundation. Yeah, there's you know what? You know what? There is a strong possibility na maging solid itong relationship na to. Solid beginning. There's a strong foundation here. I think nagkaroon kayo ng parang nag-start kayo. I feel like nagkabuo kayo ng ano dito. Kaya lang ang page kasi ano pa lang, nasa sa first stages pa lang yan eh. So ingat lang, okay? Ingat lang. With the justice, I feel like surrender. I feel like there is this energy na parang may nag-surrender, may nag-give up. It's either ikaw or siya. Kasi may nalaman ka ng katotohanan or siya ang or something about with the justice here, there is truth. Maybe you found out the truth about something and that's why you parang there is with the Five of Swords, this is a card of defeat kasi defeated. Maybe you feel defeated because you found out some truth about the situation. with this person, with this Knight of Cups. And you feel very sad with the Five of Swords. No doubt about that. Okay, no doubt about that, that you feel very sad. You felt very sad. But, the thing is, yun nga, there is a possibility naman na maging solid ang relationship ninyo. But, the thing is, pages kasi, mga ano pa lang sila mga learners pa lang. Hindi sila matured enough, hindi sila, it's not either, yep, it's either kulang sila sa experience o hindi sila matured kagaya sa mga kings. Wala akong nakitang kings dito. So, just be careful. Kasi, ano yeah, I'm very curious about your reading, Taurus. Okay. Ayan. Cost of battle. Yeah, parang you feel so drained ka, feel so sad, parang you feel defeated. Is this right? Parang tama ba? Okay. Now, I'm very curious kung ano ang intention. What's the next move of your person? If this is a person, ayan. But definitely, yung iba sa inyo, I think makukuha yung justice ninyo in the future. Whatever that means for you. What justice means for you. Okay, Taurus? I feel like in some aspect of your life, in some situation, I mean, makukuha mo yung justice na hinahanap mo. Possibly sa tulong ng tao na to. Who knows, di ba? Sa tulong ng tao na to, makukuha mo yung hustisya mo. O charot. Or maybe you are sad because mukhang hindi mo makukuha ang justice mo na inaasam mo. Parang ganun kasi you feel like this person is kind of immature in a sense. But there is this Ten of Cups. This is what you don't see coming. Or maybe this is something that you have wished for. Maybe you both wish for this. You know what? Taurus, let's see kung ano ang intention or outcome here. I'm very curious. Curious ako. What's the outcome here? Ano ang magiging outcome, please? Ano ang maging resulta or outcome or what's the next? What's the next? Okay, parang nakuha ko yung energy. What's the outcome? Ano ang maging resulta? Ano ang maging kakalabasan? Spirit guides and angels. Spirit guides and angels for our Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Anong kakalabasan? Okay. You have the Six of Wands! Achievements! Six of Coins. And Judgment. Okay. Convection, Defiance, Stand Your Ground. Okay, tignan natin. Mukhang may magwawagi. I feel like may magsusorry. Okay, may magsusorry. It's either itong person na to or ikaw, but there is some forgiveness here and self-evaluation and awakening. I think itong tao na to, ma-realize niya yung mistake niya, nagawa niya sa'yo. Because I feel like this person hindi niya naibigay yung oras sa'yo, hindi niya naibigay yung supposedly na, parang walang give and take parang, I feel like na-realize ng tao na to na nagkulang siya, and then humingi siya ng sorry sa mga pagkukulang niya sa'yo. O, charot, diba? And now, you feel so on top of the world because of that, because of Six of Wands, you feel like magiging masaya ka ulit. Yan ang outcome. Okay, so I feel like in the near future, okay, itong tao na to magsusorry, ma-realize na yung mali niya, nagkulang siya sa panahon sa'yo, nagkulang siya ng, siguro ikaw, nandun yung time and effort mo, pero siya, wala siyang time, parang binabaliwala ka, and now, na-realize na yung mistake na yan, and then magsusorry siya sa'yo. If hindi naman siya magsusorry, babawi siya, something like that, and you feel you're gonna feel on top of the world again. Parang na-achieve mo yung parang masayang-masaya ka, may na-achieve ka. And I feel like mapapansin ka din niya. Okay? Being the spotlight. I think ikaw ang laman ng isipan ng tao na to. ikaw din ang laman ng isipan. I think the feeling is mutual. Nakikita ko dito. It's just that, andun na yung mga pag-alinlangan. Okay? Kasi nga, I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, Taurus, Sun Rising, and Venus signs. And of course, watchers, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if nag-resonate kayo. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Uy, don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new. And yun nga. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook page, Bono Magos, kasi this week, okay, October 21 or 22, mamimigay po ako ng free items. So, sayang naman if hindi kayo makasali. So, wala kayong ma-miss na follow me there. And of course, sa TikTok, meron na din na kaming TikTok kay Bono Magos. If you have TikTok, don't forget to be. So, ayan, Taurus, Sun Rising, and Venus placements, maraming salamat. God bless, more power, and ingat po. Paalam!